Are you looking for the best drones for kids? In this video we will look at some of the best drones for kids on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Neo 2 Drone. The DJI Neo 2 is the best drone for kids in 2026, combining genuine safety features with impressive camera quality at an accessible price point. Omnidirectional obstacle avoidance is the game changer here. Unlike the original Neo, the Neo 2 actively detects and avoids obstacles in all directions. That's critical when kids are learning spatial awareness and may not always be paying attention. As a parent or educator, this provides meaningful peace of mind. Fully enclosed propellers make it safe to fly indoors and around kids. No exposed blades means less risk of injury or property damage, a huge advantage over traditional drones. Palm launch and landing lets kids take off and land from their hand, which feels magical but requires some maturity. For younger kids, under 10, you may want to supervise this feature closely. Selfie-focused design is perfect for this generation. The drone flies pre-programmed paths, circles, droning, orbit, based on the selfie mode you choose, making it easier for kids to capture impressive footage without mastering complex controls. Number 2. DJI Neo Mini Drone. This drone for kids has features that impressed us as much as some more advanced drones we've had our hands on. During our testing, we immediately noticed its overall quality, the number of camera shooting modes, and how simple they were to use. It's a great choice not just because it's intentionally built for kids, but because it teaches them how to work with and understand a more complex device. The controls are easy to understand and its built-in propeller guard protects little fingers, plus it took less than 5 minutes to connect it to a smartphone. During our testing we were pleasantly surprised by the clarity and quality of the footage and how smoothly the drone traveled. The 4K camera works in tandem with stabilization technology that generates smooth footage even as the drone is moving and even on a windy day. The drone is small enough to take off and land from the palm of your hand, and while we don't recommend crashing it purposely, it more than survived what we put it through. The drone is controlled from your phone, but you can also buy a DJI remote controller for more toy-like controls. It also adds a bit of spice back to the drone for younger operators. Number 3. DJI Flip Drone. The DJI Flip is the drone to buy when you want genuine professional capability in a kid-friendly package. This is a real drone with professional image quality, extended flight time and proper controls. It's not a toy. If your teen is genuinely interested in photography, videography, or drone piloting as a skill, the Flip won't be outgrown in 6 months. Fully enclosed propellers provide top and bottom protection around the props, a complete departure from DJI's traditional design. This full coverage protection works for both young pilots and the drone itself, making crashes less catastrophic. Intuitive controls including voice commands and smartphone operation lower the barrier to entry, while traditional controller support allows growth into more advanced piloting. Impressive camera quality means this isn't just the kids' drone. You'll genuinely want to use it for your own travel photos and family footage. Number 4. Potensic Atom 2 Drone. The Potensic Atom 2 occupies an interesting middle ground, more capable than toy drones but more affordable than DJI's lineup. It's best suited for teens, 13+, who want to learn real drone piloting without the $439 plus investment of a DJI Flip. True 4K per 30 frames per second video and 48MP photos deliver genuine content creation capability, not toy-level quality. If your teen is interested in YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram content, this drone captures footage that actually looks good. Sub 250 G weight means no FAA registration for recreational use, though teens doing commercial work like filming friends' sports games would need Part 107 licensing. AI tracking modes, spotlight, follow, parallel, let teens capture themselves without needing a second person as camera operator. Signal drops appear even at moderate distances, 1 to 2 kilometers. For backyard flying this isn't a concern, but if your teen wants to fly at the park or beach, the Neo 2's reliability is better. The 2-controller setup, phone mount versus integrated screen, adds decision-making complexity. For teens, the $399 Fly More combo with phone controller is the right choice, save the $120 for the screen controller. Unlike the Neo 2, the Atom 2 won't stop itself from hitting things. This requires more attentive flying and spatial awareness. Number 5. Holystone HS-260 Drone. This HS-260 drone can capture brilliant and perfect images for you, helping you to document all your lovely memories. You can control it through a remote and app. The app has 4 distinct features of gravity control, voice control, trajectory and gesture control. You just need to download the app for it. The remote helps you to maneuver 90 degrees up and down while you are traveling or partying. The drone is equipped with an air pressure altitude control system which helps beginners to take picture while hovering with more balance. You can shoot more easily and steadily with the optical flow positioning fixed point height system. You can control the photo and video capturing through gestures by the HS-260 drone. Now taking a group picture becomes more easy and convenient. This drone is Wi-Fi enabled, which helps you to immediately share photos and videos with your family and friends. You can send the photos and videos to your smartphone by the app and share it on social media. The HS-260RC drone comes with a storage bag which becomes a perfect gift and a travel buddy for birthdays, Christmas, Father's Day, and other event.